Hello, good afternoon. We are from De La Salle College of St. Benilde, and today we are here to conduct an interview for our job analysis midterm project. Additionally, the Privacy Act is applied for this interview, as any information recorded in this interview will be used for educational purposes and requirement for human resource management course. So good afternoon, business manager Rhea Young. Today we have some interview questions. For the first question, what company or organization do you work for?
Ah, Hello, everyone. I'm Rhea Yang. Um, I'm the operations manager of the Access Time Travel Services. Sorry, can you please raise your question again?
Um, what company or organization do you work for the first question?
I work at a travel and tour services, basically Access Time Travel Services, a travel and tours industry.
Uh, so for the second question,
For the second question po, what is your position or job title?
Come again, sorry, I didn't.
For the second question po, what
All right.
is your current position or job title?
Could you please try
Um,
to raise a question, Alden? Your connection is bad. Then,
For the next question po is, what is your current position or job title?
I am the as of the I am the operations manager at the Access Time Travel and Services. I basically handle the overall operations for both inbound and outbound tours. Mostly I handle the corporate accounts or for incentive trips like or benchmarking.
for our third question, how long
Mm.
have how long have you been working in this field?
I've been working in the travel and tours industry since I graduated. So basically it's 20 years, 26 years today. I've been in travel and tours services but last 2000, year 2000, up to this time.
Okay. For our fourth question, what are your tasks or responsibilities?
As an operations manager,
Yes, yes po.
okay. As mentioned earlier, I am the operations manager. I basically handle the overall operations for both inbound and outbound tours. Mostly I handle the accounts for incentive trips, benchmarking, for clients who are requesting for group bookings.
for our fifth question, what hard and soft skills are needed for your job?
Mm, Basically, of course, you must be a college degree graduate. For the hard skills, a basic Microsoft Office for the hard skills, knowledgeable for the Microsoft Office. For the soft skills, that you must have the ability to motivate, mentor, and handle complex travel disruptions or any travel and tours crisis or unforeseen challenges. Yeah, as a travel, that's the soft skills you must. That's basically you must have.
For the sixth question po, how do you how do you cope with an employee having a lack of motivation?
Mm, as operations manager, that annoys me most. The staff are not doing their best at work because as much as possible, since we are in a travel and tours, a service industry, you must do or find ways in every impossible things in our work because high quality of services should make a difference in our office. That's it. Is there any other questions?
Uh,
For our seventh question, what kind of educational requirement is needed?
Needed for a manager? Basically, any 4 years course, any bachelor degree course. As long as you have the ability to motivate, to supervise, you can do the job perfectly.
For the eighth question po, how many hours and days do you work?
Sorry, can you repeat the question?
Um, how many hours and days do you work po?
I usually work less hours, 5 days a week to Friday. Usually come at the office by 10 a.m. and before 5, I leave the office.
so for our final question, do you have face-to-face work at home, or hybrid?
I don't go to office every day because I usually go out for sales to meet clients for meetings. I do face to face with the clients, but in the office, I don't usually come to the office every day. Sometimes I do work at home.
So thank you for our interview. Um, this is for
All
our
right.
HR human resource management.
All right. Thank
Thank you
you.
po.
Thank you po.